Hello, wonderful ones. Today's book is a little different. There isn't much to read and just lots to look at. So I'm going to make sure that there's lots of time for you to enjoy each page while we look at it. It's called Usborne, 1000 Things in Nature. Have you seen any of these out and about? I bet many of you have seen a cat or a gray squirrel. I live near some woods, so I've seen a wood mouse, and I've seen an American robin. I've seen a house mouse. I've seen lots of bumblebees. I've seen a shrew. I'm not sure if I've seen one of those, but I've certainly seen a garden-banded snail as well as a common rabbit. There's so many wonderful things to see outside if you look. Did you recognize any of these friends? Here's lots of fun ones. I bet you've seen many of these in books if you haven't seen them in person. You know, as I look at this page, I realize that I see all of these pretty often. I have a pileated woodpecker that lives pretty close to my backyard, and I have blue jays that come and eat at my bird feeder every day. I've seen a skunk outside in my compost pile, and I've seen lots of chipmunks, absolutely lots. During the winter, I also have white-tailed deer who come and eat at a station near my house, which is lovely. And I have seen a spotted owl, and I've seen a porcupine. I've seen them quite a bit. I've also seen red squirrels. Do you recognize any of these friends? Oh, I bet some of you guys live near a desert and in cold areas. I've seen needle ice on some gardening things that pop up over the winter. I bet many of these you guys have seen in books too. This is my very, very favorite shark. It's called a whale shark, and it just eats little tiny plankton and fish, but it's so big. There's lots of fun things on here. If you live near a farm, you've probably seen many of these. I have some neighbors that have guinea fowl, as well as some sheep. And when I was a little younger, I actually raised goats, and I've raised some pigs too. Look at all these wonderful foods. How many of these foods do you eat? Do you recognize any of these trees? Do you have any of these in your area? So many rocks, and this doesn't even cover all of them. I really hope you enjoyed this, friends. See you soon.